Good day. My name is Bob Trent, and I will be leading a session titled How Myopic Financial Strategies Increase Corporate Risk. Few executives would argue against the notion that their firms are under intense pressure to manage costs and improve profitability. Unfortunately, in an effort to enhance their financial position quickly, industrial customers are pursuing strategies that can damage relationships across the supply chain, sometimes irreparably. In particular, the lengthening of the time that customers take to pay suppliers is something most of us are probably familiar. This session focuses on the negative outcomes that can result when industrial customers, the buyers, take actions that affect adversely the financial standing of other parties in their supply chain. These actions can circle back in ways that are not beneficial to the customer, making the customer's actions financially myopic, meaning they lack foresight and imagination. So, in this session, we will tell a story backed by research involving almost 250 companies that shows in very clear terms that financially myopic strategies actually increase risk by reducing the likelihood of receiving preferential treatment from suppliers. In fact, this session will also show why it is logical to predict that suppliers will actually retaliate against their own customers when those customers are being financially myopic. The irony here is that unilateral steps taken to presumably reduce a corporation's financial risk actually create new and often serious kinds of risk. And this new risk has the potential to outweigh any short-term benefits derived from financially myopic actions. I hope to see you at what I think will be a very valuable session. Thank you.